I'm confused. How can I get a 4.5 interest rate? I thought they were at 6.5 right now. If you haven't heard about the 2-in-1 buy down yet and you're looking to buy a house, you really should listen. Let's say you're looking for a house and you really can make it work with interest rates right now, but you're just not really happy about it. But if you got something at 4%, even 5%, you'd be happy, you'd be loved, and you'd be ready to go. Well, then this is exactly for you because there are types of programs where you can lower your interest rate 1 to 2% if you negotiate with the seller. Here's how it works. Whenever you're negotiating with the seller on a home, you're going to need a certain amount of closing credits to apply towards your interest rate. Let's say your loan is at 6.5 interest rate, which you can afford, but you rather get it lower, and you do a 2-in-1 buy down. Basically, that year one, that 6.5 goes down to 4.5. In year two, that 4.5 goes to 5.5. And in year three, it goes back and resets at 6.5 back to the normal rate. Who knows what happens? Maybe by then, your interest rate is lower and you can refinance out of that 6.5 loan and you don't even have to worry about it. This way you can buy a house with a lower interest rate. Now, keep in mind, this is not a permanent interest rate change. It is temporary. So make sure you can afford the original interest rate down the line so you don't get yourself into trouble. Now, if you're wondering why this is even a popular option, look, people believe interest rates are going to go down in the future. So why don't you use this program to have a lower interest rate now, and then when it does go down, you can always refinance later if it does in fact go down.